This Paris Hilton 6-quart air fryer is more than just a countertop appliance. It is a blend of modern cooking performance and unapologetic style. Designed for users who want efficiency, healthier meals, and a statement piece in their kitchen, this air fryer delivers strong functionality while standing out visually. With its signature pink finish, gold accents, and illuminated touchscreen display, it transforms everyday cooking into an experience that feels both practical and playful. At its core, this air fryer is built to solve a common kitchen problem: the desire for fast, crispy food without relying on excessive oil or waiting for a full-size oven to preheat. Using powerful hot air circulation and a 1,700-watt heating system, the Paris Hilton air fryer produces evenly cooked, golden results in a fraction of the time required by traditional cooking methods. Foods come out crisp on the outside and tender on the inside, whether you are making fries, chicken, vegetables, or frozen snacks. One of the most impressive aspects of this appliance is its 8-in-1 cooking versatility. Instead of being limited to basic air frying, users can switch between air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, keep warm, pizza, and dehydrate modes. This flexibility allows the air fryer to replace multiple kitchen appliances, saving both space and time. From baking small desserts to dehydrating fruit snacks or reheating leftovers without sogginess, the machine adapts easily to different cooking needs. The digital touchscreen display is both intuitive and visually appealing. Unlike cluttered button layouts, the display is clean and responsive, making it easy to select presets or manually adjust time and temperature. The adjustable temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows precise control for delicate tasks like dehydration or slow warming, as well as high-heat cooking for crisp finishes. The fan speed automatically adjusts based on the selected function, removing guesswork and ensuring consistent results. Capacity is another major strength. With a 6-quart basket, this air fryer comfortably supports family-sized meals or batch cooking for meal prep. It can handle multiple servings at once, making it ideal for households, entertaining guests, or busy individuals who want to cook once and eat multiple times. Despite its generous capacity, the design remains compact enough to sit comfortably on most countertops. Health-conscious users will appreciate the non-stick basket and crisper plate made without PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, or PTFE. This ensures a safer cooking surface while still delivering easy food release. The ability to air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods makes this appliance appealing for anyone looking to reduce oil intake without sacrificing texture or flavor. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. Both the basket and crisper plate are dishwasher-safe, which significantly reduces post-meal cleanup time. The exterior wipes clean easily, and the non-stick interior prevents food from sticking or burning onto surfaces. This ease of maintenance encourages frequent use rather than turning the air fryer into a rarely used gadget. What truly differentiates this air fryer from many competitors is its design-forward approach. While most air fryers are meant to be hidden, this one is meant to be seen. The bold color, gold detailing, and illuminated display make it a decorative addition rather than an eyesore. For users who care about aesthetics as much as performance, this is a major selling point. Performance-wise, the Paris Hilton air fryer holds its own against more traditional brands. Cooking times are fast, heat distribution is even, and results are reliable across different food types. Whether you are air frying fresh vegetables, reheating pizza, or experimenting with homemade snacks, the appliance delivers consistent quality with minimal effort. Overall, the Paris Hilton 6-quart air fryer successfully combines style, versatility, and practical performance. It is designed for modern kitchens where visual appeal matters just as much as cooking efficiency. While it clearly makes a fashion statement, it does not sacrifice functionality, making it a solid choice for everyday cooking. Key features and benefits: 8-in-1 cooking functions for maximum versatility. Powerful 1,700-watt system for fast, even cooking. Large 6-quart capacity for families or meal prep. Adjustable temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Nonstick cooking surfaces made without harmful chemicals. Dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup. Stylish design with illuminated touchscreen display. Pros and cons. Pros: Excellent cooking performance with even heat circulation. Large capacities suitable for families and entertaining. Multiple cooking modes replace several appliances. Easy-to-use touchscreen with customizable controls. Eye-catching design that enhances kitchen aesthetics. Cons: larger footprint than compact air fryers. Bold color may not suit minimalist kitchens. No viewing window during cooking. Final verdict: the Paris Hilton 6-quart air fryer is an ideal choice for anyone who wants healthier cooking, faster meals, and a standout appliance that brings personality into the kitchen. It balances performance, versatility, and design in a way that few air fryers manage to achieve. If you want an air fryer that works hard and looks great doing it, this model delivers on both fronts. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this air fryer fits your cooking style. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.